Good afternoon from the National Weather Service office in Gaylord, Michigan. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Sunday, June 30th, 2013. We'll take a look at the highlights for the hazardous weather, and we just have thunderstorms possible pretty much for across most of northern lower Michigan, and that'll be today through Thursday afternoon. Right now, the impacts are too soon to try to really pick out, but most of the stuff's pretty scattered, so it looks like it would be on the low end. So not anything that's severe at this point that we are expecting. Otherwise, if we just take a look at the current weather map, we do have a cold front that's trying to sweep down into the area, but it's fairly dry, so there's not a whole lot of precipitation at all with it, as marked on this map. Most of the moisture is down to the south along the Ohio River Valley, where there's a weak area of low pressure that's been kicking off some thunderstorms, and that's going to continue here, and that's partly where our precipitation in the coming days is probably going to come from. As we look at the forecast, we're going to have high pressure pretty much over us though for several days, and then Tuesday into the afternoon especially, we'll start seeing some precipitation trying to move in the evening there in our southeast counties as the low pressure kind of goes through and moves into this area, and we have all that moisture coming up out of the Gulf of Mexico from the Bermuda High off to the east. It's going to continue that way into Wednesday and into Thursday, so we're expecting some areas of showers and thunderstorms, mainly in northeast lower, but it can't rule out that more stuff's not going to fire across the rest of northern lower Michigan. And especially as we get into Thursday, then we also have some areas that might just flare up around the Cadillac, Traverse City, and Grayling area as well. We'll just have to see how this plays out. It's going to be pretty scattered, though, at this point. And like I said, no severe weather is expected with any of this. So to sum up everything, well, it looks like we're going to have a mainly sunny or mainly clear night tonight. We do have rain chances by the middle of the week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday time frame. Our temperatures here are going to be in the upper 40s into the mid 50s across the region. And like I said, the only problems or hazards that we may look at are thunderstorms possible Tuesday through Thursday, and those will mainly be during the afternoon and early evening hours. Thanks for listening in to this afternoon's hazardous weather briefing. If you'd like more information, you can always find us at weather.gov/Gaylord, or you can also check us out on Twitter and Facebook, and you can ask us lots of questions. And as always, our YouTube channel is available with this briefing and past briefings, as well as our virtual tour of the office. Thanks for listening, and have a great evening.